Imagine a future where your sunglasses answer your texts, your table transforms into a gadget powerhouse, and your lawnmower doesn't just mow, it picks up acorns too. And wait till you see the race cars that fly. These 15 incredible AI inventions aren't just sci-fi dreams. They're here to revolutionize your daily life. Stick around because the best is saved for last. Orion. While Apple was too busy building those bulky headsets with hundreds of pieces and parts, Meta built Orion. These AR glasses are only slightly thicker than an ordinary pair of Ray-Bans, but they do so much more than just protect you from the sun. You can use them to browse the web, you can message or video call your friends, and thanks to AI, they can even tell you what you're looking at in front of you. Oh, these glasses can also smash that like button, just like you should, if you haven't done so already. But no, in all seriousness, they allow you to play video games using just your hands. Unfortunately, as at the time of making this video, you can't buy them just yet because they're not available for purchase. But what is available is Holory X. Holory X. If you want to take your boring display to the next level, then there's no better way of doing so than with the Holory X. Now you might be thinking, I have a curved Samsung display and it's not boring. Really? It's not? Then do your stock charts look like they're floating in midair? I didn't think so. The display has over 80% transparency and adjustable LEDs. When you're not using the desktop, you can look at your e-fish tank. Get some 3D glasses and things start to look super cool. The product is currently undergoing a round of funding, so you can pre-order it on Kickstarter. Litheli eWagon W1 Pro. If you enjoy the outdoors, but you don't want to be cut off from civilization, then the Litheli eWagon is here to help. Instead of carrying a heavy backpack that drags you down, you can carry a simple trolley, which can carry up to 132 pounds. The wheels are made in such a way that makes it very easy to traverse any surface. It has variable speed control with a controller built right into the handle. Plus, when the wagon is on the move, it charges a set of batteries in the front, which gives you a 1-hour fast charge for all your devices. Ugot Robotic Kit. Ever wanted to build your own robot but didn't know where to even start? Well, the Ugot Robotic Kit has you covered. And don't let the plain box fool you. There's nothing plain about it. The unique modular design makes it easy to assemble into different types of robots. For example, in just 2 minutes, you can build the quadruped robot. Download the app and you will awaken it with a single click. If you take out a few parts and replace them with other ones from the kit, you will have the engineer vehicle, or you can build the wheeled and legged robot. And you can even program the robot through Python. And one last thing, you can even build a transforming car. It's like buying 4 robots in one. Loona petbot. What if there was a way for you to get a little doggy that doesn't shed, that isn't noisy, that doesn't eat a lot of food, and that plays with you when you want it? Meet Loona. It's a robot pet powered by AI, recharges herself at a docking station, and can play with you or anyone from your family. She can high-five you, play dead, do tricks, and even pass gas. She comes with a pre-programmed app that shows you all the cool features this bot can do. Coocha. Have you ever thought that your little table for the sofa could use an upgrade? Well, this is Feasto Coocha, and it's to sofa tables as a truck is to a transformer. On the outside, it looks plain and simple, but on the inside, it has 12 cool uses. The first one is the snack holder. Then you have a cup holder, an NFC, a cooling fan, and a specialized holder for your tiny gadgets. And to make it the best working desk, it even comes with a built-in wireless charger. Coocha, just like Holory X, is on Kickstarter right now, and they already have 2,736 backers. Voixatch. If you don't like carrying a charging case for your earbuds, then Voixatch has the perfect solution for you. Not only is this device a smartwatch with all the features like texting, calling, note-taking, and more, but it also comes with a built-in pair of headphones. The Bluetooth headset detaches from the watch when you want to take a call or listen to music, leaving your hands free and your pockets lighter. The headset charges from the watch, so you don't need to carry around a bulky case. Emo Petbot. This is Emo, the AI desktop pet. It's quirky, cute, fidgety, and sometimes very loud. If you're working at a desk all day and need someone to entertain you, Emo is that friend. He will even do little stunts, like trying to fool you that he will jump off the desk. If Emo gets bored, he will do a little dance for you, and his facial expressions are to die for. Beatsgear X. Did you know that sound is not just for your ears? Thanks to a revolutionary new device, you can experience sound like never before. The device connects to any smart device through Bluetooth. Then you can choose one of the 3 different modes to enjoy movies, video games, or music. The Beatsgear X analyzes the music patterns using haptic sensors and translates those sound vibrations into actual vibrations. And if you thought gaming was fun with a haptic controller, wait till you play with the Beatsgear X. Ecoflow Blade Robotic. You might have seen a lot of robotic mowers over the years, but this one is set to change the mowing game forever. It has no wires at all, and it can mow your lawn in straight lines. The special wheels allow Ecoflow Blade to make very sharp turns to avoid tearing up your lawn. Plus, it can clean up acorns, sticks, and anything else you might have on your lawn. And the robot needs to charge for only 2 hours, so you can get 4 hours of mowing time. Pesa H2 Loco. Instead of relying on common fuel sources, a company from Poland has built a locomotive that runs on eco-friendly hydrogen, or H2. The rail car can reach a top speed of 55 miles per hour or 90 kilometers per hour, and Pesa H2 Loco can pull trains weighing 3,200 tons. For 15 hours, the locomotive needs only 650 kilowatts of power. However, unlike other locomotives, this one has the engine man sitting in the middle of the train car. Apex Maker X1. This is not your average 3D printer. It can print things that are 353 by 198 by 400 millimeters. But that's not the best part. The Apex Maker X1 has a high-resolution LCD screen, allowing the Apex Maker to cure resin layers with extreme accuracy. Thanks to its size, you can print one large object or multiple smaller ones, making it the perfect printer for industrial use. And it prints at a pace of 180 millimeters per hour, which means waiting time is extremely reduced. Ecoflow Glacier. Ecoflow looked at the portable fridge market and said we could do better than portable ice packs. That's when the Glacier was born. It's a portable 3-in-1 fridge freezer with a built-in ice maker. The Glacier comes with detachable handles, and it needs to be charged before being used. The 2 compartments in Glacier come with temperature control, so you can store frozen and fresh produce on the go. But if you take out the compartment divider, you can turn the entire thing into either a freezer or a fridge. Plus, there's an ice maker right next to the 2 compartments. Totem Planter. If you want to have your unique garden, but you're confined inside an apartment, Totem Planter to the rescue. The device comes with a modular planting design where you can combine not only the plants, but also the planting pots. Vertical, horizontal, or something in between, the Totem Planter will take care of your small garden with ease. Just fill up the water pump in the bottom compartment and the Totem Planter will water your plants automatically. The design ensures your plants grow very fast with very low maintenance, making the Totem Planter the perfect device for beginner gardeners. Alauda. It's about time someone built a cool flying car. Alauda is building performance electric flying cars, and they're doing one heck of a job. Right now, the company is focused on building flying race cars, but through this, they are also tirelessly working on precision control using AI and improving the density of flying vehicles in urban environments. They have completed over 400 test flights, so the software they use is even suitable for multi-aircraft operations. Here's another video AI enthusiasts loved watching. This is AI Exposed, demystifying the world of artificial intelligence, one video at a time.